All right, Fiat fans, so here's a little tip on how to get the oil filter out of your 500. Now, officially, you're supposed to take off the little turbo inlet tube here to get down in here and get your oil filter off, because if you can see it down in there, it's pretty deep in there, right? But there's an easy trick to get it out without doing all that. First step, which I've already done, is to shove a rag or something down in there around the filter housing so you don't make a big mess. Second step is to take your 27mm socket and fish it on down in there and get it on the oil filter housing. Now I know what you're thinking, how the heck am I gonna get a wrench on that socket down in there? Through this hole by the headlight. It helps to have these wobbly extensions. They kind of have a funny shape on their end and they can wobble around a little bit. But you just feed that through the hole next to the headlight and shove it on into the socket. Just like that. Then all you have to do is put your ratchet on it and go to town. So it is kind of tricky to get your oil filter housing out of this crevice down in here, but if you just wiggle it around, it comes out just fine. Once you get your oil filter housing out, go ahead and pull out your rag because you don't want to get that stuck when you're trying to put it back in. Now for replacement filters, I really like these Napa Gold filters. They're actually supplied to Napa by Wix. But as you probably know, Wix is actually made by Man Hummel, which is a really good filter manufacturer. And of course, you can get these good guys over at bookautoworks.com/shop. Now these cars can be kind of sensitive about what kind of oil they're using because of the multi-air system. It's kind of particular. So make sure you use a really high quality oil. I go with AMSOIL, and I'm an AMSOIL dealer. So if you're in the Austin area, I can get you a good deal, or just follow my link down below if you need to order online. And in case you're wondering how I got the oil out of the car, I used my little electric extraction pump. All right, so the last little tip I have is to get rid of the oil change light. So all you do is you click the ignition just to the on position, don't start the car. And then on the accelerator, push it down 3 times. And then you see the little warning light goes off and the oil change indicator goes off as well. And then you just start the car and make sure nothing's leaking and you're good to go. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thanks for watching.